Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Princess Brittany. Long time no see. I hope everyone is doing well. I have been kind of just laying low lately, which is why you haven't really seen me um on any social media. There's been a lot going on behind the scenes with my family and friends, and I've really just been trying to stay safe and sort it all out and make sure that I do whatever is in the best interest of my kids and close family and friends and I, so that we can all remain safe and um, just thriving in these tumultuous times. So, unfortunately, in the past few videos, I shared with you how I was experiencing some issues with some extended family members. Well, I have had to resort to resolving those issues through legal options. And so, one of the legal options that I began using during the summer, and it actually was something that started literally a couple of days before the day of my son's father's death. And it just was one of those things where it was like I was mourning the loss of him, and I was being harassed by these so-called extended family members at the same time. And it just became very, very intimidating. Some of the things that they were saying and doing to me, it just was not nice. It was very vindictive. And so at that point, I decided to take action. And I'm fully prepared to take additional action as well if needed. So the action that I began taking was legal action. And although they have intimidated me into silence, I do have I'm done being a doormat. I'm done being scared of these people. They're just not relevant in my life anymore, and they don't deserve to occupy any negative energy in my mind. I want to be free from the manipulation and control that they try to have over my kids, my family, my friends, and myself. So this is the cease and desist order that has been issued to them. And if there is a continuation of this behavior, if they do not comply with this legally binding order, then they will be held fully accountable to the highest level of extent of the law. And that's just the way it is. I will not hesitate to press charges. So I just want to read this to you so you can hear it for yourself. It was served to them on May 9th of this spring, which is when the harassment began to escalate in the springtime. And it says, "Dear Carrie Moore," that's the person that the notice was served to on behalf of bringing this to the awareness of the responsible individuals involved. "Dear Carrie Moore, this letter serves as notice to you to immediately cease and desist all harassing activities against and towards me, including but not limited to." On May 9th of 2022, the recipient attempted to contact and harass me through a mutual friend. The recipient is not my biological father, yet falsely claims to be, as means for gaining access to Princess Brittany and her children. The recipient, in parentheses, by the name of Donald Cooper, close parentheses, is not listed on Princess Brittany's birth certificate or any other applicable legal document. Said recipient has been asked on numerous occasions to stop defaming the character of Princess Brittany, submitting false police reports on Princess Brittany, resulting in eviction from homes which were paid and leased in Princess Britney's name, theft of Princess Britney's identity, seizing and selling Princess Britney's personal property, including vehicles, as well as manipulating Princess Britney's finances through physical and financial abuse. If said recipient continues this dysfunctional behavior, Princess Britney will take legal action and said recipient and press charges against said recipient to the fullest extent of the law. Your actions are unwanted, aggressive, threatening, and have become unbearable to Princess Britney. Your actions also infringe upon my right to remain free from harassment. As a result of your harassment, Princess Britney has suffered substantial harm to her character, substantial harm to her reputation, emotional and physical stress, physical harm or injury. If you do not cease the harassment, Princess Britney will be forced to take appropriate legal action and will seek all available damages and remedies. So this has been provided to my legal counsel, and it is on file, duly noted. It is on record, it is official, and it is legally binding. I'm very serious. I'm very serious. You know, I am not a child that can just be abused or manipulated anymore. I'm a grown woman. I have children to protect. I have family to protect. I have friends to protect. And the dysfunctional behavior, the harassment, and all of that negativity from the Cooper and the Smith family, it ends today. Because if that harassment continues, and either myself or somebody close to me has any negative repercussions as a result of that harassment, these individuals will be held responsible to the fullest extent of the law. And I mean that. I have every right to press charges against these parties who are involved in this harassment, and I will not hesitate to use my right to do so. I hope you all have a wonderful and happy Sunday, and make sure you get to the polls and vote this election week.